Good morning, students. Today we are going to dissect the lateral compartment of the leg or the peroneal compartment of the leg. Here I have dissected the peroneus longus. Here you can see this muscle. This muscle is the peroneus longus muscle, which takes origin from the fibula, that is upper two-thirds of the fibula. Okay, and deep down here, deep to this peroneus longus, is another muscle here which I have dissected, which takes origin from the lower two-thirds of the fibula. Okay, thus in the middle one-third they overlap each other. So this is the tendon of peroneus longus, and the deep tendon is that of the peroneus brevis. Okay, then they will go just posterior to the medial posterior to this lateral malleolus. This part is the lateral malleolus. They will go in a groove from posterior compartment where the peroneus longus tendon is superficial to that of the peroneus brevis. And this is the site where it is in the peroneal, superior peroneal retinaculum. See these two tendons, they are deep to this lateral malleolus in the peroneal, deep to the superficial peroneal retinaculum. If I cut this superficial peroneal retinaculum, which is attached on to the posterior margin of the lateral malleolus, and then here it comes to the inferior peroneal retinaculum. Okay, they have the common seat. Okay, so I have cut this superficial or superior peroneal retinaculum. Now I shall cut also the inferior peroneal retinaculum just to separate the tendons of peroneus longus and the brevis. See there, they are covered by the sheath as well as the that is synovial sheath here, they are covered. So this is peroneus longus, and I will just trace it down to that of the lateral surface of the cuboid bone where it lies in the groove, and then it goes on the sole to go to that of the base of the first metatarsal. Okay, now this is the how this peroneus longus is just going down. So this is that peroneus longus tendon. See this tendon? You can just trace it right up to this place. This is that synovial sheath. Now this is the peroneus brevis, now which has come here above, and then you are going that it is going to insert onto the dorsal surface of the fifth metatarsal bone. See, lying into the groove, and then just deep to the inferior peroneal retinaculum. I am cutting the inferior peroneal retinaculum, and then both these tendons, they have come out. Okay, now then in the small part I have dissected this nerve. This is the peroneal nerve. The common peroneal nerve comes here. It winds around the lateral aspect of the neck of the fibula, and at this level it divides into two nerves. This is the deep peroneal nerve which will go to the anterior compartment, and this is that superficial peroneal nerve which will supply these peroneal muscles and will come onto the dorsum of the foot become the cutaneous, and will supply most of the part of the dorsal part of the skin, which we have already seen. So this is the the deep and superficial, and this is the deep nerve, deep peroneal and superficial peroneal. Here it is going into the substance of the muscle. It first lying between the longus and the brevis, and then it will pierce the brevis and will go more close to that of the anterior intramuscular septum. So these are the nerves. I hope that this completes the lateral compartment or the peroneal compartment of the leg. Thank you very much for watching this short video on the peroneus.